Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian James and this is about my project car, my Chevron. Okay, so actually this one's not about my Chevron. It's about something that helps you with your projects. Look, most people get onto a project and they don't have a set goal in mind, so the thing drags on forever. I'm not sort of like that. I'll have a set goal in mind, say going to a certain car show at the beginning of the year or wanting to get things done, so it pushes me along. I have to get it done by this time. Well, for this car I didn't have anything until the other week when I contacted a group of people that are doing a road trip in the middle of November. So for me it starts in Orewa, which is just out of Auckland, and we head up basically to the top of the North Island, which is Kerikeri, and then we overnight there, and then we start down the west coast to the bottom of the South Island, swap over and come up the west coast and up and back up into the North Island. Now the guys will carry on back up to Auckland, where once we get back over into the North Island I'm going to shoot straight up to the beach hop. So once again, for me, this road trip's going to be about 5,000 k's long. It's going to be 14 days, 2 weeks, and this is the car I want to do it in. So that's what's pushing me. So guys, this is going to be an awesome road trip. And yes, I'm going to be taking lots of video, going to be taking lots of photos, and I really hope you join me on this journey, because you're going to see amazing parts of the country. Now, New Zealand, I wouldn't say it's the best country in the world for seeing scenery, but for me, because I haven't seen the rest of the world, but it is excellent. And these cars, they are absolutely perfect for getting to be one with the scenery. I mean, you've got no roof, you've got no windscreen, you've got no doors, you've just got you and this beautiful country that we call New Zealand. Look, so I do hope you subscribe, and I do hope you join me on this journey that we're going to do. It's going to be excellent. So look, if you like what you saw, please hit subscribe, hit like, and yeah, look, you guys have a good day. This is going to be very good.